Hello everyone, this is me, Crazy Leo. Just another night, I had to do a very important task of checking the track at the Crazy Farm. And couldn't resist but to do this. Of course, don't have my GoPro with me, so sorry about the shaking phone thing. By the way, I'm driving my daily driver Subaru, automatic, stock engine, stock pretty much everything except some interesting setup tweaks. Should have gone into first there, oh, forgot. We don't go there into first with students just to keep it more consistent and easier for people with shifting, but in this I could have. Don't ask who destroyed that chicane earlier. Made it. Touch the cone there. Flat, 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 don't lift, be smooth. Big braking for a chicane. This is my third hog lap. I had to go earlier a little bit to get a feel for the grip, because with the grass it's an extremely changing grip, and relatively happy with how I got a hang of it in 2 laps. Grass grows too. Like a week ago was a different story here. Some e-brake didn't seem to work. Strange, e-brake's not really working. There you go. After the track setup check, I can report the track is awesome. Well, of course, after making the mistake of forgetting to shift into first that once, and not really, honestly, not feeling why the e-brake's not working. It's a stock e-brake and it worked after the end of the lap. Maybe I just need to pull it harder. I had to do another one. And things often go wrong on the final one, so let's see what happens. Better exit for sure. Nice commitment there, because the grass was destroyed quite a lot with the cars before, so it's with more grip still. Oh, better now. First gear, yeah, didn't forget. Made it. Beautiful. Full throttle, big balls. Okay, back to grass, pay attention. Get it back. Good. Too warm, turning the heat down. Patience, patience. Woo, made it. Oh, brake too late. No, made it. Wow, nice Scandinavian flicking there. That's the cone I hit in the previous round. Touch your brake to be full throttle from now on. I think I touched another cone. I wonder if it's standing. Full throttle and smooth. Nope, turn too late. I'm full throttle. Too sideways, wasted time. Nope, making it. Made it. Made it. Scandinavian flicking helps when you brake on something so slippery. I'm still not sure about the e-brake thing. Maybe a bit of a flick and e-brake? Like that? Well, then I didn't really need the e-brake with that much of a flick. Mechanical sympathy, back up off a little bit over the final berm. There we are. So, nice. Okay, I'm gonna go drive the line slowly, see how close I got to cones, and I want to see if I did knock that one pylon or not. Thanks for watching! The cone I thought I might have hit is standing! I touched it, I got lucky, probably kind of got buried into the grass a little bit, but it is standing, it's this one. Happy. Haha. By the way, this is the car I just drove. And this is my dinner, 2 a.m. in North York. Because I called these people with the only sushi that's open so late, and they said it's okay, but I show up, they say take out only. Well, I'm having it fresh. Good night.